Hi, I'm John Benson. Today I'd like to talk to you about our new TE10 series tedder, specifically the TE2510. Tedding has spread across the country as an efficient way to speed up the dry down of hay to help change the outcomes in the hayfield. By rethinking the way tedders are used and built, Vermeer designed the new 10 series TE tedders. Available in 17-foot, 25-foot, and 33.5-foot tedding widths. These series offers high-performance tedding, consistently spreading the crop widely and evenly. This comes from a unique hook tine design that creates a bottoms-up motion to pick up and spread large amounts of crop and leave the wettest crop on top for increased dry down. Take control of your hay dry down with the 10 series TE tedders by Vermeer. If you want to learn more about the TE10 series tedders, please visit your local dealer or go on over to Vermeer.com.